हेलो बच्चों, let's see the question. The question says that calculate the final temperature of a sample of a monoatomic gas that is expanded reversibly and adiabatically from 500 ml at 300 Kelvin to 2 liter. So here we have to find out the temperature of the monoatomic gas after expansion to 2 liter. So this question is basically from the topic thermodynamics or thermochemistry. So the key concept of this question says that relation between temperature T and volume V for an adiabatic system. So the formula we have, that is T V to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. So here we will use, that is T1 V1 gamma minus 1 equal to T2 V2 gamma minus 1. This is the we can modify this equation to this. So the T1 here we can write T1 as 300 Kelvin, T2 we have to find out, V1 equal to 500 ml equal to 1 by 2 liter and V2 equal to 2 liter. So here to find out the gamma we will use this equation, that is gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. As we know, Cp minus Cv is equal to R. So this is a monoatomic gas and the degree of freedom for a monoatomic gas is 3, and here the Cv we can say for the monoatomic gas is equal to 3 by 2R. So after calculating by this equation we can get Cp is equal to 5 by 2R. So by using this formula we can get gamma is equal to Cp by Cv is equal to 5 by 3. So now we will modify this equation, that is T1 by T2 is equal to V2 by V1 whole to the power gamma minus 1. Also you can write T1 by T2. Now putting the gamma value V2 by V1, the equation will be like this: 2 by 3 is equal to T1 we have 300 divided by T2 we have to find out 300 Kelvin equal to V2 equal to 2 liter divided by 1 by 2 liter whole to the power 2 by 3. So after solving this equation we will get T2 is equal to 119 Kelvin. So the final temperature of the sample of monoatomic gas after expansion is 119 Kelvin. So let's go to the option A. Option A is the correct answer. Hence the correct option is A. So I hope you understand it well. Thank you.